What is going on, YouTube? Before we even start, I totally forgot that PC part picker for the previous video of the $750 build. My bad. I'll put a link down in the description for this one for that. But today it's not about me. I'm not doing a video today. It's all about our boy Ceril over here.
Hi, I'm Ceril. That's also my name.
So we got a computer, and by popular demand, we got Ceril back on. Actually, it wasn't. No, nobody was there.
I mean, I voted for me.
Yeah. So I voted for you too. So
oh yeah, double down.
All right. So what are we doing with this one, Ceril?
We are working with a corrupted operating system and a failing hard disk drive. We have run this through a couple smart tests, a couple long tests as well, and this thing ain't functioning right. And in fact, if we were to turn this on, we would get what is it? Windings? You get that gibberish language to come up on the operating system and including the what's it called again? Even in game during Steam, it was quite different. I'm not even going to show you guys the windings because technically that is showing the desktop, and I don't want to infringe on people's privacy. So we're just going to get right into replacing the hard disk drive here with a solid state drive. It's the future. This is a 4-year-old computer, and out of all the components inside of here that's holding back the performance, it's that thing. So I guess this is kind of a boon.
Is that even a 7200? No, it's a blue, right?
It's a blue. It's a 54.
Oh my god.
I know, right? Pretty good performance, but held back by just 1 week chain. You're also going to need your ISO. You'll probably need a screwdriver, and because we are going to be replacing a 3.5 with a 2.5, we're going to need an adapter. It's a little bracket. I turn it around, but you know, all that sort of jazz. So let's go ahead and get started on removing this from the machine. Just this little rack right over here. Pretty simple. It's just a SATA connection and a power, and it should be good. My hands are not nimble enough.
And all that because he doesn't want to open the back.
Yeah, I don't want to open the back. If you've seen the back, it's stickers.
Oh yeah,
like a ton of stickers.
I kind of saw it. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is not coming off without injuring the art.
Oh, that's right. I didn't even notice that.
No thanks. Not gonna art that. He said it's a 6-year-old collection, a 4-year-old collection.
I believe
stickers. That. Jeez, that's a lot. All right, so got that disconnected. Pull that right out. Looks like it's just a 2015. It's a 5-year-old drive almost. It's not surprising that failed.
5 years, huh?
5 years. All right, looks like this is quite literally just a pop in and go.
No data, right?
No data. Just a brand new, fresh operating system. So we could just pop this open and get this going. We're gonna go for the unneat open.
You drop it.
Jeez. Whew. Man, good thing solid state drive is cheaper than ever before. Nice, 1 terabyte.
Oh, I thought they were gonna go 500.
No. He knows that he tears through storage space and all that sort of jazz. Is it a double? 2-in-1? Wait.
I think it's 2 brackets. It's a dual pack.
Dual pack. Okay. All right. On the presumption that these are gonna fit in correctly.
Dude, okay. So the only one I see you having issue with is this front, because we can't remove the front panel because it also has the stickers. So you're just gonna have to either
deal with it.
Blow that way or this way. You're gonna have to blow this computer. What?
All right, so this is kind of a tight fit getting this on there, but it'll do fine. It'll do fine.
I mean, it's not like it's meant to be an adapter for it. Is that your Hiren's flash drive around your neck?
It has Hirons on there and a bunch of other stuff.
I'm not even gonna ask.
Yeah. Sometimes I just need a, Hirons. Actually, at some specifically sushi restaurants, for some reason, they'll have these computers in the bathroom.
What?
With exposed USB ports.
What?
You could just plug in, and they get network access.
Okay, first of all, why the hell are sushi restaurants having computers in the bathroom?
For the, when you're pissing, you're trying to watch a movie at the same time. They'll have those up.
Here? Cali?
This was in Sac County. Anyways, Sacramento County's got, or at least,
Dude, I still can't believe I lived in Sacramento for like 3 months. And I was like, nope, can't do this. Too hot. Going back.
All my friends who went back home after UCSC. Bollocks! All right. Well,
you really can't get it in there?
It's it's not like it's a flush fit. Even with this other one, I was already trying to. It should just pop in, right? Should be as easy as take one, put in the other, And voila. Okay, all right. I am a coordinated person. I can promise you that.
And that's why he works on phones. I don't even know if that's like a good thing or a bad thing that I just said. That's backwards, right?
Oh no.
Oh, but you're seeing.
Yeah, I'm trying to see.
It'd be the same thing. Yeah, it'd be the same thing.
Yeah, it's the same damn thing. See, it should. Y'all gotta. We gotta.
Wait, it doesn't matter if you're gonna push it in anyways. Wouldn't it? When you're gonna push it in here.
Yeah. But I need, at the very least, I needed to get flush. Yeah, we need to get that flush in order for it to slide. So. Yeah, we're gonna have to.
Modern problems require modern solutions. Or you could just try the other one. That's why there's a 2-pack.
That's cheating, man. It's not fair. Fine.
That goes in super easy, bro.
I'd be like so mad. Yeah, man, it's not going in. This is not a happy man.
Are they not the same size?
They're not the same size.
Oh, I think I know why they're not going in. Because these have what's it called?
Actual threads.
Yeah, threads for you to screw them in. Why don't you just get some screws that size and screw them in there?
Gravity. Best friend, worst enemy.
There's 8 here. There's two 8-packs.
I don't want to open the bag. It's too much effort. I got these right here.
Oh,
They're already lying
I think
around.
those are going to be too big. I don't think that's going to fit.
That's what she said. I agree with you. Oh my gosh, look at all this extra effort I have to do.
I guess that's why they send these, right?
Why is there 8 double pack?
Yeah, because then that would mean there's the 2 to screw them into that, the other 2 to screw the SSD into.
I fix it. Oh wow, that was less of a struggle. I learned today. We got this. You got this?
Yeah.
We got this. Okay, all right, yeah. You win. all right, okay.
Bro, it's like
I'm so used to having a magnetic mat.
Are these iFixit supposed to be magnetic?
Yeah, they're supposed to be magnetic, but you know, that's only so much force.
All right. Now the mission to put that in without taking it off the back. Oh, that one's the easy one.
Yeah, the other one's gonna be
That's gonna be a pain.
gonna have to do this correctly, then everything will be all right. All right, I win.
You got it?
I win. Okay, yeah.
Wow. Okay.
All right, easy as that. All right, so with that in mind, we're gonna just load
Load the OS.
the OS here, USB 3, because anything less would be, you know.
Unless it's one of those boards that doesn't. I've had it where you put in a USB 3.0 port and then it's like there's nothing connected.
Nothing connected.
You switch it to a USB 2.0, it's like
Well, that was
I see
very
it.
useless.
All right, hold on.
Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. Thank you. Dibs.
I think we're gonna have to go get you the other keyboard.
All right, so we will not need Ethernet because we're not trying to log in with a Windows account as of just yet, but we will need that later for Windows updates. Let's go ahead and button. That's the reset button. There we go, power button, 50-50 shot. All right, it spins, it wins, it's
not showing it. Oh, there it is.
Uh-oh. Boot menu, F12. Am I fast?
No, you didn't. I think you completely
Oh, I
missed
think
it.
I missed it.
What was the F key? I'll press it for you.
F12. Spam that key. Come on.
Why is it not doing it? Okay,
There we go.
That's a lot
Vertical?
of stickers, man. Wait, it has the option for vertical mounts?
Yeah, you could put a vertical component here, but I don't know what
That isn't.
you would
that's
want
not
to do.
enough for a GPU.
No, it'd be dangerous to put a GPU there. What could it be?
PCI.
Water cooling, a reservoir.
Oh, that, yeah.
That's what it is because we have
Oh,
the
yeah, it does have
cooling
the-
loops right over there.
yeah.
Okay. All right, we're just gonna breeze through the classic, install. Setup is starting.
You have the stool. You're the man of the hour.
Oh, how much time do I got? I don't have a product key. We're just gonna insert home, 64-bit, because anything less is literally exponentially worse.
Like
New, apply, okay. I'm not even explaining myself because I'm under the presumption that you know what you're doing. If you want us to explain this, you could go ahead and go to the Microsoft website and learn on your own time. Have fun. Every day's a great day to learn. That's me. All right, so we're now just gonna do the thing.
We'll come back
when this is done, yeah. Howdy there, YouTube. It's Ceril with the GoPro now. We're going to be resuming getting this computer with the Windows 10 operating system. This is after all the, what we previously saw on screen, but we're just going to go through it all. I want to do note, and I think Jay said it in one of his recent videos, but if you do not keep the Ethernet jack, you can see that RJ45 right behind that cable right over here. If that is not connected, you won't need to sign in with a Microsoft account, and so we're just gonna say that we don't have internet, which is a total lie. We have internet. Don't believe what I'm saying. Don't believe what I just clicked. We're gonna continue with limited setup because, it's not actually as limited as people would believe. We are gonna name this after the name of the user. In that case, it is going to say Ali. I'm gonna go ahead and click next. Super memorable password. If it's blank, it's not a password. So is it actually memorable if there's nothing there? That becomes a whole philosophical question to think about. So put your thoughts down below. If there is no password, is it super memorable? Gonna go ahead and say no because they get my data anyway. Don't want to make it any easier. Sorry, Microsoft. All right, now we're just gonna let it do its thing, and we'll be back once we get to the updates for this Windows 10 operating system. I'll see you shortly. Hey there, YouTube. I'm back because the initial updates are finished. We're gonna get right back into working with this computer. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we have down here. We have the world. The internet is pretty much all around us, so we are gonna get us connected in. It's as simple as grab and go. Where is it? There it is. Boop. Ta-da! All right, so we're plugged in, Ethernet's happening, and we could already see that it's asking to become a discoverable PC. We're gonna click no for various reasons. Confirming that we do have an Ethernet connection, fantastic. If we type in update, it's gonna bring us to check for updates screen. It's gonna be right here. I'm off just a little bit. Scroll down, check for updates, let that spin to win, load.
At least 7.
No.
Put money on it.
No. I'm gonna go 6 or less. Damn it.
Alright, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom!
Alright, okay, you win.
I think I only counted 6 though. Yeah. But yeah, that was definitely.
Yeah, so we'll let it load up the drivers. Looks like a couple AMD drivers. Makes sense since there's an AMD GPU. It looks like it's an AMD processor.
Is it?
Is it? I don't actually.
Wait, check the.
Don't know.
Yeah, it is because it's an AM3 board.
AM3 board. Okay, all right. Yeah, there's some logic behind it all. Let's see it. Yeah.
Check which one is it.
AMD FX trademarked -4350 quad core processor.
Oh, and
base speed. La da 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 da. All right.
Dude, those FX were known to get toasty, bro. That's why he's.
It's got
that's why he got an
cooler.
up in there.
1 terabyte, fantastic. Memory, it's only 8 gigs. Running 16.
What temps is it running at? I just want to make sure, see if we gotta give her a thorough clean out to this.
Let's see, I'll have to download, I don't know, HW monitor.
So
I'll go ahead and download that software and we'll be back with some more diagnostic information. See you in a bit. So now that we have finished the first round of updates, we're gonna go ahead and restart now. Oh, the joys of solid state drive. This is gonna take just a quick minute.
Takes forever.
Honestly, right, I'd be so bummed out. 1%, oh man, 2% milk. All right, we're gonna learn how to count today. And 8. All right, well, we're just gonna skip that because we'll get to 100% and we'll be right back into the desktop. So I'll see you real shortly. It feels like it's been just about 2 minutes, YouTube. So we're back here into the operating system. We're gonna go ahead and find some updates. UP, enter, gonna hit that, check for updates, gonna let that spin to win. What do we got? Do we have much? I hope we don't. Nope. All right, just the optional updates, which we will refrain from doing because it's not an option I'd like to take. It's as simple as that, getting a Windows 10 operating system onto your machine. In case you run into any difficulties, just leave a comment below and we'll see if we can help you out. Or if you wanted to send us your computer to take care of an operating system installation, we take care of those services as well.
Yes, sir.
Anyways, YouTube, I want to Thank you for your time. We'll see you in the next video.
Hey, you gonna want some of these? Leave you some of these tamales or what? Because I already ate a good amount.
I'll take a bite.
All right.
If you'll tamale me.
I see what you did there. What?